Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to become a professional photographer using just your iPhone. That's right, you don't need expensive cameras or fancy gear to capture amazing shots. So, let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the techniques, let's quickly go over the fundamental principles of photography. Whether you're using an iPhone or a high-end camera, these principles remain the same. Composition, lighting, and subject matter are key elements that can make or break a photograph. Now, let's move on to some practical tips for taking professional-grade photos with your iPhone. Tip number 1. Mastering composition. Composition refers to how you arrange the elements within your frame. With the iPhone, you have the advantage of using grid lines. Enable them in your camera settings to guide your composition. The rule of thirds is a useful guideline. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal parts, and place your subject along these lines or at their intersections. Experiment with different angles and perspectives. Try shooting from high or low angles, or even getting close for a unique perspective. Don't be afraid to move around and find the best composition for your subject. Tip number 2. Harnessing lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in photography, and your iPhone has some fantastic features to help you capture the perfect light. Tap on your subject to adjust exposure manually. This allows you to brighten or darken the image based on your desired effect. For outdoor photography, the golden hours, early morning and late afternoon, offer soft, warm light that can enhance your images. Avoid harsh midday sunlight, which can create harsh shadows and blown-out highlights. Additionally, consider using natural elements like reflections or shadows to add depth and interest to your photographs. Tip number 3. Mastering iPhone camera features. The iPhone camera app is packed with features that can elevate your photography skills. Experiment with the various shooting modes, such as portrait mode, which creates a shallow depth of field effect, or the panorama mode for capturing breathtaking landscapes. Take advantage of the burst mode by holding down the shutter button. This allows you to capture a series of shots in quick succession, ensuring you don't miss the perfect moment. And don't forget to explore different editing options in the Photos app to fine-tune your images. Take advantage of the burst mode by holding down the shutter button. This allows you to capture a series of shots in quick succession, ensuring you don't miss the perfect moment. And don't forget to explore different editing options in the Photos app to fine-tune your images. Tip number 4. Utilizing third-party apps. While the native iPhone camera app is excellent, there are numerous third-party apps available that can enhance your photography experience. Apps like Snapseed, VSCO, and Lightroom offer advanced editing tools, filters, and presets to take your photos to the next level. Experiment with these apps, discover your favorite editing styles, and use them to create a cohesive look for your photography portfolio. And that concludes our guide on becoming a professional photographer with just an iPhone. Remember, it's